In this demonstration, we're going to cover how we can migrate data. Migrate2 application will migrate a number of data types, and you can click on the link for the datasheet to see which data types. Other data types, if need be, can be added quickly and easily, and contact support for assistance with that. So let us show you what Migrate has in store for you and how quickly and easily it is to use it. To start migrating your data, you obviously are going to need some templates, some mechanism by which to put your data into. You can obtain those templates from Configurator. Log on to Configurator. You're going to need to select your Migrate project, and you can create a separate Migrate project for your data. The advantage of this is that you're not mixing your master data with your configurations, and hence you can also minimize the security issue with access to that information. Once you have your project, you can now drill down on the knowledge base in exactly the same way. So let's go and look at suppliers, for instance. Suppliers is under payables. Suppliers entry. Now, this works exactly the same as the Oracle screen. So now you've got a supplier header, and then you've got a number of tabs. You need to work out which of those tabs you wish to put data into. For each tab, you can click on the link there and bring up the screen. The columns that you will see will be the same as will appear on your Oracle screen. So working out how to fill them in should be very easy. To obtain the template, click on the Export button. Save it to a disk. Let me create a new folder. I have my folder here, Migrate Templates. So click Open, Save. Here's my template. Let's have a quick look. Open. Obviously you don't need the data, but it's very handy at this point in time to understand what was in there. And what you should do is go through with your client and hide the columns that are not needed. And since there are many templates, because there are many tabs on an Oracle screen, you'll need to go through each of them and determine which ones are needed and which columns are needed, and hide the rest, and make it therefore simple for people to use. Once you've extracted all of the templates and sorted the information out, you can then populate the data into those templates. Another way to put the data into those templates would be to use reverse. There is a reverse option for migrating data from an existing Oracle instance. However, if your source instance is not Oracle, then either the user can cut and paste the data into Excel, or someone can write a program to produce the data in Excel format. Once you get all of your data into the Excel templates, then drag and drop those templates into a zip file like I have on screen now. So I've got a variety of data types here. That I've prepared. So what I do now is once I have the data ready, I can import it into the knowledge base. You can import it progressively or all at one time. Here's my data file with all of my templates in it. So I then need to put in my filter. So what am I going to call this? Migrate to V01. Okay. That's now going to import the data. And when it's finished, we'll see the completed screen. Okay, so we have our data already in the knowledge base. It may be that the data needs to be molded to fit the responsibilities that you're using to log on, to fit the inventory master and inventory org that you're using, and the inventory codes, and any other details like supplier may be automatically numbered and you supplied a supplier number, etc. There are a number of things. These are all discussed and detailed in the training materials that we have available. For the purpose of this demo, we'll assume that everything's okay now and we will proceed to build a package and inject the data. To do that, we go to Generation Profiles, exactly the same as we did for configurations. We can see a profile here called All Data Types, or you can select individual ones, and you click on Generate. And it will now proceed to generate a package. When it's finished, we can get the package just like we did for the configurations and save it. Put it in Migrate Templates. That way we know where it is. It's fine. Migrate Templates. Okay, that's done. In part 2 of this video, I will show how we then inject it and what the injection looks like. For now, I can log out.